Alright, look for proof. Today is February 8th, 2022, Tuesday. 11:16 Eastern Time. 4,947 rollover achieved of the 5,000. This is a 50 times rollover. And I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to show you. I only need to spend $53. But I'm just going to buy the bonus for 100 to show you. Now watch up here the 26 as well. Once this bonus is complete, I'm going to have $226. Or $200.26. My apologies. It's going to be pretty funny if this is the worst bonus I end up getting too. $10 on 100 is pretty bad, but looks like it's getting better. Now we won't get this full amount. The most we're going to get is 200 because that's double what our bonus was. That was a big hit. But we really don't need any of this. Like I said, we've already achieved our rollover, but we're looking for these big hits earlier on. Just like that. See up here? Now $200.26. Congratulations, maximum bonus. Your maximum bonus of $200 has been released. Thank you for being a loyal player and enjoy. Just like that. It's so easy. I mean, it took a little bit of my time, but if you have time and not money, you can just do this and keep making money. You can withdraw up to 2 times a week, so it's not a big deal. I hit a bonus for yesterday for $120 and today for $200. This is on my spare time. You know, all my babies, all my little ones are asleep. It's easy to do. I can show you how to do it as well.